Hey there, Nate here from Klaviyo, and in this video I'm going to walk you through our entire Q4 strategy that we use to generate millions for our clients in email marketing sales. When done well, these strategies can generate millions in sales for your e-commerce store with a marginal extra cost. This year being an election year, ad costs are probably going to be through the roof. But with a planned email marketing strategy, just like the one I'm going to share with you right here, you'll be able to generate tons more in sales without bleeding your bank account on paid ads. These are the 5 things we do for our clients to prepare them to generate as many sales as possible with their email marketing in Q4. First, make sure our emails are arriving in our customers' inboxes. I'm gonna teach you how to collect way more emails. Then I'm gonna get people really excited to buy from you. Then we're going to wake up and re-engage your old subscribers that you haven't been emailing in quite some time. Finally, we send offer to your list they simply cannot refuse, and we collect the money. I'm going to walk you through each step, what it is, how we do it, and how you can do it for your own e-commerce store. Plus, at the very end, I'm going to give you our full campaign planning template that will show you exactly what emails to send and when for every week through Q4. As always, if you have any questions on how we do this, leave me a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Before we start sending any emails, you need to make sure your emails land into your subscribers' inboxes. If your subscribers don't really see your emails, they're not going to open them and they're not going to click on them, and therefore they're not going to buy with your store. There are 2 main things you need to do in order to make sure your emails land in your subscribers' inboxes. First, set up your DMARC record settings, and the second one is setting up your dedicated sending domain. There's actually a lot to go over here, but I made a full tutorial on how to fix each one of these for you guys. I'll make sure to leave a link down below so you can go through these tutorials and fix them for yourself. Now, it's not only important to improve your deliverability, we also need the right potential customers to send your emails to. Leading up to the sales, we want to get as many quality emails onto our list as possible, so when we send our offer emails, we're able to make much more money. Here are my top 3 tips for getting more emails from the visitors of your website. In Q4, we have 3 different pop-up offers, one for October, one for November, and one for December. And you'll have different offers in each one to entice customers to opt into your list. For example, in October, we're turning on a pop-up for early access to BCFM deals. This will help us collect emails from shoppers and non-shoppers, and we're gonna specifically collect subs who want to get early access to your Q4 promotions. For November, we'll change our strategy to holiday deals are live, sign up now. With the opportunity to sign up for email and SMS alert and never miss a new offer, and we'll collect our interested subscribers into a new list called BCFM list customers. For December, we'll use a different approach geared towards Christmas and gifting, and the copy of our pop-up and the design will reflect that accordingly. If you need any inspiration to create those pop-ups, we have our examples from last year to help you out. So make sure you check them out. All right, so we have all of our pop-ups and our email list ready, but how do we get our customers warmed up? This means making your customers fall in love with your brand, so whenever we do send them the offer, we make way more sales. So how do we do this? First, we need to show our best-selling products and highlight the benefits of those products. Then we highlight customer reviews and UGC, user-generated content. Then in November, we create weekly deals to hype your list and give them an opportunity to buy from you already. Let's walk through each and every one of these strategies right now. Strategy number 1, focus on your best-selling products and benefits. So our first strategy is focused on our best-selling products and their benefits. We do this with our first 2 emails that we send our list in October. And we do this to remind our customers on why our products are important. How do they solve their problems and how do they improve their lives? We'll send over a campaign just like this one that shows your best-selling product and also highlights their benefits. The goal here is to remind your customers of how valuable your products are as early as possible. Then we'll resend those campaigns to a larger audience in the 2nd week of October. Strategy number 2, highlight customer reviews and UGC. This will help us tap into a cognitive bias that is great for marketing called the bandwagon effect, which basically means if other people recommended it, it must be good. This little social proof strategy creates more trust with your brand and primes your list to purchase from you when we actually send our offer emails. We usually send these emails in October. Strategy number 3, create weekly deals. Then finally, in November, we want to send weekly deals to hype our list to get them to shop their favorite categories. This is what our hype emails look like. These emails generate sales, but also get your subscribers ready for when you send your offer emails for Black Friday and Cyber Monday as well. All right, now that we have our recent subscribers ready, we want to awaken all of your old subscribers. Maybe you weren't sending as many emails throughout the year and they got disengaged, or on the other side, sending too many emails. And just like we spoke about in our deliverability section earlier, if you don't continue emailing your list, these subscribers become less and less engaged. And this simply means they're less likely to open or click your emails. And this is really bad for your domain ranking because Google sees all of this and then marks your future emails as spam. And this can destroy your email revenue. So I'm going to show you how we can re-engage these old subscribers without risking losing this amazing revenue source. And here's how we do it. First, we'll use what we called resends, then also re-engage with the chronically unengaged subscribers on your list. First, resends. Now, what is a resend anyway? A resend is taking a campaign that you already sent to a segment and basically expanding the segment to include other subscribers. So basically a larger segment. And this will help us with two things. First, gradually engage with more and more subscribers. As I just mentioned, a resend is taking a campaign that was already sent and expanding it to a larger segment. So more and more subscribers will see your campaign as we come along and send those resends. Second, we can do all of those resends while we monitor our deliverability, which basically means how many emails actually landed in our subscribers' inboxes. Now, here is how we do it for all of our clients in a nutshell. We want to start sending your campaigns to the most engaged segments you have, typically either 30-day engaged or 60-day engaged, and slowly expand to a larger segment like 90-day engaged, 120-day engaged, and even 180-day engaged. And this process will help us gradually warm up more and more customers with more resends throughout the month here, as we will target larger and larger segments. Strategy number 2, engage with the chronically unengaged. Next, we want to re-engage with your chronically unengaged segments, which means anybody who didn't open or click any of your emails in over a year. And that's why we have Black Friday and Cyber Monday as a great excuse to re-engage with those subscribers who once bought from you, but then dropped off for some reason. Currently, those subscribers should be inside of the chronically unengaged subscribers. Inside of your Klaviyo account, they're like dead weight. Because even though they're inside of your Klaviyo account and you're paying for them every single month inside of your Klaviyo bill, but they don't open or click any of your emails in over a year and probably didn't buy from you since. So what we want to do, try to engage with them before the big holiday sales. Okay, so now that we have our old subscribers and new subscribers engaged, it's time for our favorite part. Let's send some emails and make a ton of money. Leading up to BCFM, we sent 7 campaigns. These campaigns are what we call money campaigns. They're designed to get your subscribers to click through and purchase from your store. We craft these in a very special way in order to maximize the clicks we get and get more purchases in your store. This is good not only for your domain's ranking and avoiding the spam or promotions tab, but also generate more sales and more profits for your store. Every email follows this structure: header plus offer, midsection, and the footer. Now, there are many ways to go about sending this email. It really does depend on your store and products. So let me go through one email example so you can see what to do. As you can see in this example, we followed our protocol, which is header plus offer, midsection, and then the footer. Everything here is themed with the holiday spirit in mind. Now, if you're like my team and I to create those emails for you and execute on your Q4 strategy, then you'd like to book a call with my team and I. A link for it is down below, and we'll show you everything on what you need to do to crush it this Q4, when and what to send. All right, so now that we know how to generate huge profits this Q4 season using email marketing, you're probably curious what emails you need to send. And more importantly, how do you send them? Here I'm going to give you our full Q4 campaign planning template. You can see that we have different emails going out on different days. Every email you see here has a very specific purpose and goal. They're each crafted to engage our audience, build trust, and then generate huge sales when the holidays come around. I'm going to leave you a link to this template down below. Go ahead and check it out. You'll find all the emails to send and when to send them. In October, it's all about warming up your subscribers, so we have good chances of landing in their inbox later in November and December. In November, it's all about starting the sales early with our weekly deals. The discount we'd like to offer are slightly less than our Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, but you get guaranteed stock, which might not be the case on the week of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. In December, we're focused on gifting, our shipping deadlines, and the end of the year vibe. You can see in the calendar that each color represents a different type of email. Yellow emails are our warm-up emails. These build trust and get our emails to land in the subscriber inboxes. You can see that we use these for these weeks here in October. Here are some examples of these emails. Dark green here means money emails, and these are just like the offer emails we went through earlier, and they look like this. Hype emails are all about building the hype and getting our subscribers excited. Green are sales emails dedicated to promoting more sales. And that's a wrap, guys. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to watch my free guide on how to set up all the automated flows inside of your Klaviyo account. It will show you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your automated flows to well over 40% of your total store revenue on autopilot. I'll make sure to leave a link down below. And if you want to scale your email marketing and need some help doing so, we'll dive deep inside of your Klaviyo account and we'll show you all the huge opportunities to make more profits and more sales from your account. I'll make sure to leave a link to our calendar down below so you can book a call and get your free audit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.